I'll be showing you step by step how to customize any theme's code in 2026, and it's going to apply to any theme. I'll also be showing you the one thing you should be doing to create a backup just in case you make any errors. So to edit our theme code, all we need to do is head to our Shopify admin. From there, we'll head to the left-hand side, clicking on Online Store. This will open up the themes automatically, and we can see our currently published theme. Now, before you touch anything in the theme code, which could lead to a whole bunch of issues if you make a mistake, what you want to do is click on the three dots, then click on duplicate. This is going to create an exact copy of your current theme. So if you make any issues and you want to revert back to where it was before, we have an exact copy of where we were at, almost like creating a save file for your store. What I always do as well is we click on the three dots and we can rename this. So I can give this the current date, May 12th, 2026. So I'll just click save there to make it easy to reference later. Now to go and edit the theme code, all we need to do is click on whatever theme we want to edit, click on the three dots again, then click on edit code. This is going to open up the code editor for a theme. Now, if you've never used it before, it can be a little intimidating. One took a second to load here, but it's going to be a file system in Explorer. So with your theme code, it's going to be organized into folders. It can look a little different depending on whatever theme you're using, but if you expand them, you can see all the files underneath. So let's say we want to go and edit the collage.liquid. We could open it up, and .liquid is just the extension name, and we can see all the code here. Now, this is going to be pretty intimidating if you first open it up, as you're not going to really understand what all of this does. So it's going to depend on what you're trying to edit. But if you are editing something specific, there's probably some type of instructions showing you exactly where you want to go. So if you create any edits here, I'm just going to add an extra comment, random comment added. So once you do that, to finalize the code changes, you just hit save here and it'll be updated in your store. So after you've edited your theme and started making sales, you're going to need to track how much money your store has actually made. And that can be really difficult if you're using spreadsheets. There's a ton of different costs that you need to include to make sure you're getting accurate profit calculations. And that's why I built Profit Calc. Once set up, all you have to do is click the date range you want to see, and it's going to do real-time calculations to see how profitable your store actually is. It includes tons of different analytics, metrics, and cards, as well as charts, so you can start making smarter business decisions. It integrates seamlessly with all your different ad platforms and cost of goods sold methods. There's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check out the link in the description below. You can also search for it in the Shopify App Store, searching for Profit Calc, and then looking for this logo here. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out. So this concludes the video on how to customize your theme code. If this helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.